In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the not supported error message when you're trying to upload a file in Google Docs. So if you're getting this not supported error message when you're trying to upload your files, so for example, if I click on File and click on Open, click on Upload, and then I go in trying to upload my file. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to upload this PDF document. If I double click on this, you can see we get this error message saying selected file is not supported. So to go and fix this, what you need to do is just head over to the Google website, click on the square icon in the top navigation and select Drive. Now, once you're on your Google Drive, click on New in the top left hand side, click on File Upload, and now from this window just go and upload that same file. So for me it was this PDF document. I'm going to double click on this and then just press Upload. Now once it's finished uploading, you can see we have our PDF document here. What we're going to do is click on these three vertical dots next to it, click on Open With, and then just select Google Docs, and after a couple of seconds you can see now we've opened this PDF document in our Google Documents. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.